Hey guys, today I have the Glamour Jewelry box. They did send me this for review purpose. This is a $30 a month or $29.95 a month jewelry subscription, and they have sent me boxes in the past. So far, I really like their jewelry. They haven't tarnished. I haven't had issues with them, and they reached out to see if I wanted to do the January unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys. And when you open up, you get this card, and usually I have all the boxes that they've sent me have had this. It says glamour is shine and confidence, and that you hope they hope that you enjoyed this month's jewelry selection. They do have a Instagram account, the Glamour Jewelry box. If you want to see some of their past pieces, you can definitely see them there. And the box does have like these little like fillers in there, and then they have a little card. Okay, that's awesome, because before they didn't have this. This is the first month that they've sent me this that actually has a little card of description of every piece, and it says this month's box is valued at $85. So let me go ahead and take them out. They always come in this beautiful little bag. It's like a little plush bag, and it's really nice. I have the other ones that they've sent me, and they do last, these little bags. And I also like the fact that you can keep them in here and keep them separate, and that helps a lot with fantasy jewelry to make it last, is that you don't want to bunch them up together. So I'm gonna head and pull one of these out, and this is a bracelet. It's like an X bracelet, and it's gold, and that's what it looks like. That is so pretty. I like that. I wish it had a little bit more of a way to actually, like, you know, maybe fasten it or make it a little bit tighter. And it says that this is a cross crystal bracelet worth $35. It's lightweight yet enhances any outfit. It's super cute. I just wish, like, especially me, I have really small wrists. I wish there was a way of me being able to tighten it so it's just like an open clasp. Next up in here is, let's see, it's in tissue paper. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. Oh wow. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. It's a little tangled up. It looks like it has various layers to it. I just want to make sure that I can hold it properly up for you guys, so you guys can definitely see what it looks like. It looks like one of these multi-layered, that's what it looks like. Okay, so it's like a multi-layered necklace, and then it has a single piece that goes down pretty long. So let me see if I can kind of put this around my neck so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, and with these kinds of necklaces, you always want to straighten them out before you put them on. I have a few of these from, I think, Aeropostale. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but somebody will probably correct me. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So when you put it on, you'll definitely get like that. Obviously you want to wear this with like something that's open, and you'll get like that various layered effect, and it has a lot of layers on it. I am not a fan of like way too many layers, and that is a little bit too many layers for me. I really like more like 2 to 3. And it says that this is the layered drip necklace. This is worth $32. It says it's a gorgeous statement necklace, perfect to dress up any simple outfit. So definitely one if you want to like have something like, I think that's like if you had something that was completely open here in the front, I think that would be very beautiful to like display it. But with anything that's closed, kind of like, you know, a full t-shirt, I'm not sure if it would look as nice. And the last thing in here, it says, is knot earring studs. This is worth $18, and it says that it goes well with the statement necklace, and this is what they look like. And those are super cute. I love small earrings. I always have small earrings now, especially since my son can grab at them and pull them. So I'm more into smaller little studs, and these are super, super cute. So that is it in this month's box. I feel out of everything that came, the earrings are my fave, and then would be the bracelet, and last the necklace. I have liked the necklaces that they've sent in other boxes more than this one. This is just not like my cup of tea. I think it's just way too many layers, and I'd have to see how I could style it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this month's box. I'd love to hear back from you. Have you subscribed to this box? Do you like this kind of subscription as far as jewelry? What do you think of the price point? I'd love to hear back from you guys. I will have them linked down below. It's not an affiliate link, and if they give me any coupon code, it's not an affiliate coupon code. It's just for your benefit only, so I don't make anything off of it. So I'll try to see if they gave me one in the email. I'm not sure. And yeah, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.